Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Saloni, and I'm a associate engineering manager here at GeekyAnts. And today we have Ankit here with us, who's a software engineer at GeekyAnts. And today we're going to talk about React Native IDE, which is just launched for beta. And Ankit here got an exclusive look at it. So yeah, Ankit, tell us more about it. What's your initial impressions of it?
So I think Software Mansion has like released early beta of React Native IDE. You can directly install it inside your VS Code, and it will give you a panel in which like you will have you can add your simulator or emulator
Okay.
and run your app directly there.
Okay. So any other web browsers which are being supported currently, or just VS Code?
VS Code and Cursor, I think Cursor is also supported. So
Okay.
these two are currently supported.
Okay. And how easy was or difficult was the setup process?
uh, Setup process is like quite straightforward.
Mm-hmm.
So you just install the extension. I can show you.
Yeah.
So I have already installed it, but
Mhm.
I can show you. So you can directly just go to here, and as of like it is not publicly released. So I
Okay.
have a VSIX file of that extension. So you can directly install it from here,
Mhm.
and it will be like installed in your
Okay. Nothing,
editor.
no additional steps
No
or anything
additional
like that.
steps and nothing.
To create the simulators or emulators, also, do you need some additional steps, or that's also
Yes,
straightforward?
so you need to like add simulator or emulator. So that's also straightforward. You have option in right panel, so you can add it directly.
Okay.
So I can show you that OpenID panel. So here is like option, you can manage devices here and
Okay.
create the new devices. So these are currently options available.
Okay. Not all simulators are
No,
present
currently
currently.
only
Okay.
these are the options available.
Okay. So what else? Like, what are some more key features? I think I remember reading about something called a component preview.
So yep, there are like couple of features. So it you don't need to like go to your terminal and build your app. So
Mhm.
it will do all of these things behind the scenes.
Okay.
So currently like it's building the app. So once the app is built, we can check that. So yeah, app is built. I have not like gone to terminal and write any command,
Mhm.
and app is running. I can directly like change the code, and it will be like hot
Okay.
reloaded here. So
Nice.
yeah, that's good. I think uh, you can set up this in like really easily.
Great. Great stuff. Like, what else? Like, I saw that you have an inspector in it as well. Like, how
Yes.
handy is that?
So it has like UI inspector. So
Okay.
basically, you can just simply let's just say I want to check like where this text
Mhm.
is coming from. So I can go to here, and it has like redirected me to the base component from where like this is coming from. So
Nice.
yeah, this is great, I
This will
think.
really come in handy with complex database, sorry, complex
Yes,
code bases.
complex
Yeah.
code basis. So also it will be like easier
Yeah.
for new
Yeah.
new
Anybody.
joiners in team. Like
Yeah.
if someone doesn't know the code and
Yeah.
directly like want to change few things here and there, so
Mhm.
they can do it really quickly. So yeah.
Okay. So, what React Native versions are currently being supported?
So currently, React Native 0.71 and greater than that is supported,
Okay.
and Expo SDK as well, like greater than 49 is supported
Okay.
as of now.
So,
So yeah.
Expo routing is supported, I believe.
Yes, Expo Router is supported,
Okay.
and this has like one cool feature around this. So
Okay.
I can go to here. I can simply change the route, and it will change it here. If
Nice.
I want to like go back, then I can simply just go back, and it will like
This is
go
really
back.
cool. Like, it'll really come in handy with, debugging, navigation, and everything. So,
Yes.
just this is available with just Expo router, or React navigation, or any other navigation is supported as well.
As per their docs, currently it is supported for like Expo Router only.
Okay.
So yeah, looking forward to like
Yeah.
support for React navigation as well,
Nice.
because this is like really good feature. So yeah.
So you've been using it for a while now. Like, what was the most appealing feature for you?
One most like cool feature is preview component. So it has
Okay.
support for like uh, preview. So basically, what preview component is, React Native IDE has like published a preview component.
Okay.
So you can use it to develop your component in isolation mode. So I
Nice.
can show you. It's really
So is
like
it something like what Storybook does, or is it like different?
storybook and preview component, both are I think
Mhm.
different, because storybook has the whole list of components. So
Okay.
basically it has the whole sidebar, and it has knobs and few other features as well, like you can toggle
Mhm.
color mode, you can add documentation, all of these things.
Okay.
So these features are not there, but this feature is for like the developers who don't have like design system or storybook, and want to develop their component quickly in isolation mode without like
Okay.
building any like pre-required UIs. So
Mhm.
it will be like useful for them.
So
So
it does not have really have a component library what Storybook does, but individual components
individual
we can build
components, yes, you can build.
in isolation. That's great. That's great.
So I
You're
can
showing
show
that,
you.
right?
Yes, so
Let's have a
I
look.
have imported this preview from React Native
Mm-hmm.
IDE. I had already installed this package. So
Nice.
you can write here, you can pass in any component here
Okay.
and click on this open preview button, and it will like open
Nice.
component for you. So I have already built this button. I can add it here. Title hello world, and I can just click on open preview, so it has opened this
Nice.
button for me.
I like how integrated it is at like one place. Like the primary issue with React Native has always been that we have to go to a separate remote JS debugger, or open an external tool like Flipper to debug stuff. So I like that how it is like centralized at one place. We don't have to do that back and forth. It's
Yes,
great.
yes, and I I have seen this feature in
Mm.
Compose, and I really like that, and
Yeah.
I always wanted to have this feature in React Native, and it's here, I think.
Nice.
Uh, so yep, really looking forward to it.
Yeah, this looks very promising. Like speaking of like Flipper, like how is it compared to Flipper?
Flipper is like a really advanced
Mhm.
debugging tool, so it has like a lot of other things as well, like uh, let's just say networking. So
Yeah.
React Native IDE doesn't have like support for networking, but let's see how
Mhm.
they are going to roll out.
Yeah, I think having a network log will be a great feature. Like
Yep,
it will,
and that too like
yeah,
in your VS Code directly. So it is going
yeah.
to be like
It's
really
going to
good.
be. It's very promising. Like I can see that already.
Yep.
Yeah.
Even you can like add breakpoints directly
Mm-hmm.
here. So I had this button. It has like on press in and on press out already,
Okay.
and I am changing its background color. So let's just say I want to check like what is happening here and
Mm.
here. So I have just simply put in these breakpoints, and I can again click on this preview. Now when I press in, it has like stopped
Nice.
for me, and this the whole call stack and all is open for me. So you can
Mm.
check out this whole call stack. It
Nice.
has like state also, like you can check out this here. So it is
This
currently
is
blue.
actually great. It'll really come in handy whenever we have complex state management or complex state resolutions going on. So
Y-
yeah, I think
Yep.
it'll be
So when I
really
change
good.
it's red now, it should have been red. Yep, it's red now, and yeah,
Nice.
this is really cool. I think
Yeah.
really
So
looking
it'll
forward to
yeah,
this.
it'll really save us from putting all those console logs. Like
Yep, like
yeah.
it's really difficult. So yeah, really.
So what do you think? Like, is it going to be the go-to tool for React Native debugging?
I think I have been using it like from past week,
Mm-hmm.
and I found it like really helpful. Like you can check your call stack, you
Yeah.
can check all the variables, you can put breakpoints directly in your VS Code.
Mm-hmm.
So earlier, like I was doing it like adding debugger keyword below the line I want to debug and things
Mm-hmm.
like that. So yeah, looking forward to it. things are going to be good, I think.
Yeah, I think so too. Any upcoming features that they have in pipeline?
I'm not sure about that.
Okay.
I think I need to check that.
Yeah, I really hope that they roll this out for public soon. I
Yes.
think it really come in handy.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this was it for today. And thank you, Ankit. Thank you for your amazing insights. Great stuff. And yeah, the future of React Native does really look bright.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.